Fluke 89V. Friend borrowed it me for a week and it's brilliant. Usual Fluke build. Massive, solid. Comes in this horrible case though. I don't know what them cases are about, they ain't very good. Ain't very compact, heavy duty but ain't very compact. But anyway, the meter is brilliant. You've got everything you could ever want. Voltage, AC, DC, ohms, NS, which is nano Siemens I think, which is high resistance, continuity, diode, capacitance, temperature, all the amperage readings, current readings, min, max, hold, relative, range, hertz, everything you can think of. I'll just try it. Don't do this, don't. You have to do the air first on these English ones. It should be making a reading, all right. I've got it on DC. Oh, I can't get a reading on that. Let's try it on ohms. Try it on 100 ohms in my board. So there you go, 100 ohms. Try it on 10 kilo ohms. Sorry, that last one was 100 kilo ohms. Try it on capacitance. Let's try it on diode. Nothing that way. Try it the other way. An instant reading. Really fast. Try it on 470 microfarads. Even reading for some reason. No, it's got it. 515. That took a little while, but otherwise it is really fast. I would love to keep this meter, but unfortunately it's about 200 quid and that's way more than what I need, value wise. But really nice machine, easy to get in the back, takes 4 AA batteries, easy to change the fuses. I haven't stripped it out because it's a friend of mine, so then. But yeah, it's been great to use. I would love one. Pretty much every setting you'll ever need on that.